Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start! A big sun. Again. A big sun. Your turn to read, children. One red bus. Again. One red bus. Your turn to read, children. A tin can. Again. A tin can. Your turn to read, children. The fat hen. Again. The fat hen. Your turn to read, children. One fat pig. Again. One fat pig. Your turn to read, children. Pig in the pen. Again. Pig in the pen. Your turn to read, children. Cup and bun. Again. Cup and bun. Your turn to read, children. One hot cup. Again. One hot cup. Your turn to read, children. Two big buns. Again. Two big buns. Your turn to read, children. Two big cows. Again. Two big cows. Your turn to read, children. Cow on the farm. Again. Cow on the farm. Your turn to read, children. Ned and Ted. Again. Ned and Ted. Your turn to read, children. Ham in the pan. Again. Ham in the pan. Your turn to read, children. Kim and Tim. Again. Kim and Tim. Your turn to read, children. Ten red pens. Again. 10 red pens. Your turn to read, children. Cat on the mat. Again. Cat on the mat. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the phrases together. Are you ready? Let's start. A big sun. One red bus. A tin can. The fat hen. One fat pig. Pig in the pen. Cup and bun. One hot cup. Two big buns. Two big cows. Cow on the farm. Ned and Ted. Ham in the pan. Kim and Tim. Ten red pens. cat on the mat. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.